Do you know many English words, but when you try to speak, your mind suddenly goes blank? That's because real English isn't about single words. It's about using the right phrases for each situation. Today, I'll show you essential English phrases that help you sound natural, polite, and confident in daily life. Welcome to Native English with Mr. Eric. I speak slowly and clearly so you can listen, shadow, and speak English naturally. In this lesson, we'll focus on short, useful phrases you can use right away. Don't worry about every word. Just listen, repeat, and feel the rhythm of English. Let's start with ways to say thank you and how to reply naturally. 1. Thanks a lot. A friendly, simple way to say thank you. Example: thanks a lot for helping me. Listen and repeat. Thanks a lot. 2. I really appreciate it. A little more formal and heartfelt. Example: I really appreciate your help today. Listen and repeat. I really appreciate it. 3. That means a lot. Use this when someone does something kind. Example: thanks for your message. That means a lot. 4. No worries. A relaxed way to say you're welcome. Example: A. Thanks for waiting. B. No worries. 5. Anytime. Another friendly way to respond to thank you. Example: A. Thanks for helping me move. B. Anytime. Let's shadow these together. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. That means a lot. No worries. Anytime. These phrases make your English sound natural and kind. Now, let's learn how to say sorry and respond politely. 6. Sorry about that. Polite and simple for small mistakes. Example: sorry about that, I didn't see your message. 7. My bad. Very casual. Use with friends. Example: I sent the wrong file. My bad. 8. I didn't mean to. Shows your mistake wasn't intentional. Example: I didn't mean to hurt your feelings. 9. No problem. Common reply to sorry. Example: A. Sorry I'm late. B. No problem. 10. Don't worry about it. A friendly way to forgive someone. Example: A. I spilled water on your desk. B. Don't worry about it. Let's repeat these. Sorry about that. My bad. I didn't mean to. No problem. Don't worry about it. These short lines keep conversations polite and easy. Now, let's move to polite requests and offers. 11. Could you help me with this? Polite and common. Example: could you help me with this report? 12. Would you mind if I use for permission? Example: would you mind if I open the window? 13. Can I give you a hand? Offer to help. Example: that box looks heavy. Can I give you a hand? 14. Let's do it together. Friendly teamwork phrase. Example: this looks hard. Let's do it together. 15. I've got you covered means I'll take care of it. Example: A. I forgot my notes. B. No worries. I've got you covered. Shadow after me. Could you help me with this? Would you mind if Can I give you a hand? Let's do it together. I've got you covered. 16. That's awesome. Use this to show excitement or happiness. Example: you got the job. That's awesome. It sounds real and positive. 17. Good for you. Say this when you're happy for someone's success. Example: you finally passed the test? Good for you. It's friendly and supportive. 18. I'm so happy for you. A bit warmer and more emotional than good for you. Example. You're getting married? I'm so happy for you. Nahaninis. That sucks. A casual way to show sympathy when something bad happens. Example. You missed the bus? That sucks. It's informal but common in everyday English. 20. I feel you means I understand how you feel. Example. You're tired from work? I feel you. It shows empathy and connection. Let's shadow these together. That's awesome. Good for you. I'm so happy for you. That sucks. I feel you. These phrases help you sound natural when reacting in real conversations. Now let's talk about giving advice and agreeing politely. 21. It's up to you. Use this when you want the other person to decide. Example. Pizza or pasta? It's up to you. 22. That sounds fair. Say this when you agree calmly. Example. You work today, I'll work tomorrow. That sounds fair. 23. Why not give it a try? Encouraging and positive. Example. You want to start a new hobby? Why not give it a try? 24. You never know until you try. Another way to motivate someone to take action. Example. You're afraid to apply? You never know until you try. 25. That makes sense. Say this to agree with someone's logic or opinion. Example. A. I think we should wait for better weather. B. Yeah, that makes sense. Now shadow these lines. It's up to you. That sounds fair. Why not give it a try? You never know until you try. That makes sense. Perfect. You're now speaking with more natural rhythm and tone. Let's move on to phrases for ending conversations politely and encouraging others. 26. Take care. Use this to say goodbye warmly. Example. Take care. See you soon. 27. See you around. Casual and friendly. Example. Nice talking to you. See you around. 28. Keep it up. Encourage someone to continue doing well. Example. Your English is improving. Keep it up. 29. You've got this. Use this to motivate someone before a challenge. Example. You have an interview? You've got this. 30. Have a good one. Very common and natural way to say goodbye. Example. I'm heading out. Have a good one. Shadow these final 5 phrases. Take care. See you around. Keep it up. You've got this. Have a good one. Excellent. These are simple but powerful phrases that make your speech sound polite, positive, and friendly. Now let's do a short practice together. I'll say a situation, and you think of the best phrase to use. 1. Your friend passed an exam. 2. Your coworker says sorry for being late. 3. Someone thanks you for helping them. 4. Your classmate looks nervous before a test. 5. You're leaving a meeting. Ready? Try to answer each one using a phrase from today, then check with my examples. 1. That's awesome. 2. No problem. 3. Anytime. 4. You've got this. 5. Take care. Good job. You're already speaking more naturally. Remember, don't just read, shadow after me. Feel how the words flow together. Let's start with a few pronunciation and rhythm tips. Tip 1. Linking sounds. In English, words often connect. For example, could you becomes could ya. Would you becomes would ya. Got you becomes gotcha. Say them with me. Could you help me? Would you mind? Gotcha covered. When you shadow, don't separate every word. Let the sounds move smoothly like one sentence. Tip 2. Stress the key word. In every phrase, one word gets the focus. Say it clearly and a bit louder. For example, I really appreciate it. That makes sense. You've got this. The focus word carries the emotion, not speed, not grammar. Tip 3. Speak with emotion. When you say, "That's awesome," let your tone go up. When you say, "That sucks," let it fall. This change of tone makes your English sound alive and natural. Now, let's shadow together. Listen once, then repeat twice. Listen. I really appreciate it. Shadow. I really appreciate it. Shadow again. I really appreciate it. Listen. Don't worry about it. Shadow. Don't worry about it. Shadow again. Don't worry about it. Listen. You've got this. Shadow. You've got this. Shadow again. You've got this. Good. Feel that flow? That's real spoken English. Let's build small dialogues so you can practice speaking in context. Dialogue 1 at work. Thanks a lot for finishing that report. B. No worries, anytime. Now shadow both lines with me. Thanks a lot for finishing that report. No worries, anytime. Dialogue 2, helping a friend. I'm so nervous about my interview. B. You've got this. Just be yourself. Shadow it. I'm so nervous about my interview. You've got this. Just be yourself. Dialogue 3, small mistake, A. Oops, I forgot to call you back. B. No problem. I didn't mean to rush you. Shadow. Both. Oops, I forgot to call you back. No problem. I didn't mean to rush you. Dialogue 4. Saying goodbye. A. Great to see you again. B. You too. Take care. Shadow it once more. Great to see you again. You too. Take care. Now, a quick mini drill. Let's combine a few phrases naturally. Repeat after me. I'm so happy for you. That's awesome. No problem. I've got you covered. That makes sense. Let's do it together. You never know until you try. See you around. Have a good one. Nice and smooth. These short sentences are how real English sounds. You don't need long, complicated lines, just natural rhythm and emotion. Here's how you can practice at home. 1. Choose 5 phrases from today's lesson. 2. Say each phrase 3 times. 3. Record your voice and listen. 4. Focus on rhythm and clarity, not speed. If you sound calm and clear, you're already improving. You've done great work shadowing and repeating the essential English phrases for everyday life. Now let's review, apply what you've learned, and end with a simple challenge for you. Let's do a quick recap together. You've learned how to 1. Say thank you naturally. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. No worries. Anytime. 2. Apologize politely. Sorry about that. My bad. I didn't mean to. Don't worry about it. 3. Make polite requests. Could you help me with this? Would you mind if I've got you covered. 4. Express emotions. That's awesome. I feel you. That sucks. I'm so happy for you. 5. Give advice or agree. It's up to you. That makes sense. Why not give it a try? 6. End conversations kindly. Take care. See you around. Have a good one. These short phrases are powerful because they're what native speakers use every single day. You can use them at work, with friends, or in casual conversations. Now let's do a quick shadow practice. Listen once, then repeat with me. Listen. Could you help me with this? Shadow. Could you help me with this? Listen. I really appreciate it. Shadow. I really appreciate it. Listen, you've got this. Shadow. You've got this. Listen, that makes sense. Shadow. That makes sense. Listen, take care. Shadow. Take care. Good. You're getting smoother and more confident. Here's a short speaking challenge. I'll give you a situation. You decide which phrase fits best. Ready? 1. You want to thank someone who helped you. 2. You forgot to reply to a message. 3. You want to encourage a nervous friend. 4. You're ending a conversation politely. 5. You want to motivate someone to try something new. Now let's check the answers together. 1. Thanks a lot. 2. Sorry about that. 3. You've got this. 4. Take care. 5. Why not give it a try? If you said any of these correctly, well done. That means you're already thinking in natural English phrases. Here's how to keep improving every day. Pick 5 phrases you like. Say them aloud 3 times each. Try using them in real conversations or when you text friends in English. The goal isn't perfection. It's comfort and flow. Remember, you don't need to speak fast to sound fluent. You just need to sound relaxed and clear. Native speakers speak with rhythm, not speed. So take your time, breathe, and speak naturally. Now, before we finish, I want to remind you of something important. Learning English should feel enjoyable, not stressful. When you listen slowly, repeat carefully, and speak with emotion, you're training your brain to think in English automatically. So keep practicing a little every day. Fluency is built from small, steady steps, not from rushing. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this lesson, share it with a friend who's also learning English. Practice together. It's more fun that way. And now, I'd love to hear from you. Write a comment below and tell me, what's your name and which country are you from? Introduce yourself in English and write 1 phrase from today that you'll use this week. I'm Eric, and this is Native English with Mr. Eric. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and take it easy. See you in the next episode.